Master ADAS Calibration 3-in-1 Precision with DaTo Pro Max. In this video, you'll learn the complete ADAS calibration process from start to finish. On the DaTo Pro Max home screen, start by selecting the Toolbox option, then select the ADAS option. Next, choose Forward from the list. On the left side, select the ADAS calibration function. Tap on Adaptive Cruise Control. Follow the steps by clicking Next Step. Tap Setup to view setup steps. Follow the steps by clicking Next Step. Now the radar aiming has been completed. Don't forget to save the ADAS report for future needs. If you need a printed copy, the print option is available. DaTo Scan, your trusted diagnostic partner.